YouTube automation has completely transformed lives, helping people go from zero to earning thousands of dollars per month. It's similar to how dropshipping exploded back in 2020. Today, faceless YouTube channels are experiencing that same explosive growth. If you take action now, you can build a successful faceless channel faster than you think. And with the power of AI, you don't need to spend a fortune to make it happen. That said, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're not ready to commit, this might not be the right path for you. Recently, I came across a channel called Wealth Vault that creates faceless videos about wealthy and famous individuals, consistently attracting tens of thousands of views. Their content features media clips of luxury lifestyles, paired with engaging voiceover storytelling. The fact that small channels are pulling in such large audiences is a strong indicator that YouTube is actively promoting new creators. By reviewing the Social Blade metrics for the example channel, we can see that it's already generating an impressive $3,000 per month with just 51 videos uploaded. Their approach is much simpler to replicate than you might imagine, and with the right AI tools, it becomes even more effortless. In this video, I'll guide you through creating voiceovers, producing engaging videos, and monetizing your content effectively. You can get started using the link in the description. ElevenLabs offers a free version that lets you try voiceover generation, and if you need to produce more, there are affordable paid plans available. I would like to build a community of good quality creators, so I'm giving you everything you need for free. All right, let's kick things off. Open up ChatGPT in your browser. It's where the magic begins. You don't have to overthink at this point. Just type something like, "What are some trending YouTube niches right now?" and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you a treasure trove of ideas. Take a look at the list. It's usually packed with all kinds of niches like tech, lifestyle, finance, gaming, education, you name it. For this example, I'm picking personal finance because I find it fascinating. I love learning about budgeting, saving, and smart ways to grow money. It just clicks for me. Now it's your turn. Think about what you love talking about or researching. What's something you could dive into for hours without getting bored? Once you've picked your niche, it's time to narrow it down to a topic. Ask ChatGPT for trending topics in your chosen niche. Something simple like, what are the hottest video topics in personal finance? ChatGPT will toss you some awesome ideas that are hot and ready to go. There are many interesting and trending topics to choose from. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one, as you'll have plenty of opportunities to cover other topics in future videos. For this video, I'm focusing on side hustles and the gig economy. Now that you've got your topic, it's time to bring your ideas to life with a script. All right, time for the script. Open up ChatGPT and type something like, write a 750-word YouTube video script about side hustles. Let ChatGPT work its magic and generate a draft for you. Now, read through the script carefully. Does it sound like something you'd say? Is it clear and engaging? This is where you can sprinkle in your personality. Maybe you like adding jokes or using relatable examples. Go ahead and make it your own. If you want to take it a step further, ask ChatGPT to write each section separately. This gives you better control over specific parts of your script. For example, you can make the intro funny and the outro a bit heartfelt or romantic. If you're stuck or need inspiration, ask ChatGPT follow-up questions like, can you give me a list of catchy opening lines? Or how can I make this point more engaging? Going through the answers of these kind of questions will help you a lot in improving your content. Also, be mindful of timing. Remember that around 150 words equal 1 minute of video. So, if you're aiming for a 5-minute video, keep your script to about 750 words. After creating our script, we are ready to create voiceovers with ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs greets us with an excellent, simple messaging interface. On the left side, you can see different Create options, which are accessible from here. On the main screen on the right side, you can select different voices. As you can see, there are many voice options available. If you feel the available voices aren't enough for your needs, you can explore the Voice Lab section on the left. There, you can create or customize voices to suit your needs. Don't forget, You can even upload and use your own voice. Additionally, on the main screen, there are detailed adjustment settings on the right side. As you can see, the dashboard is quite simple and user-friendly. Let me show you how easy it is to generate text-to-speech. As you can see, the chat interface is right in front of us. We take a portion of the script we created in the previous step, copy it, and paste it into the main ElevenLabs screen. Assuming we've already configured the settings, we can simply click the Generate Speech button. In just a few seconds, the voiceover is ready. Let's check it out and see how it sounds.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the best ways to take control of your life, your time, and your wallet. If you're looking for a way to earn extra cash without giving up your 9-to-5 or precious free time, you've come to the right place.
To achieve a more natural and engaging sound, break down long sentences into shorter, more manageable parts to prevent the voice from sounding too robotic or monotonous. This helps the text-to-speech tool maintain a conversational flow rather than rushing through complex phrases. Once you've created your voiceover, it's time to gather creative assets. For this, you can visit various stock sites. For example, when working on finance-related content, I search for different stock photos. This calculator image, for instance, is a great visual that can be used effectively. I'll download it to my computer and use it later in the video. There are many different sites you can explore beyond just Pixabay. If you need something beyond stock images, like referencing an article related to a trending topic, you can capture it directly using the built-in snipping tool on Windows or screenshot feature on Mac OS. These tools allow you to save relevant visuals for your video. News sites, industry platforms, and interview articles are particularly useful sources for adding engaging visuals that enrich your video content. Once your voiceover and credit files are ready, you can move on to the video editing phase. I recommend using CapCut for editing. While there are other applications available, CapCut stands out for its simplicity and ease of use. Here's a quick overview of CapCut. On the left panel, you'll find the Import section, where you can upload your voiceover and credit files. If you'd like to add text overlays or additional elements to your project, you can also use this section. To make your video more engaging with effects or subtitles, you can explore the different menus available here. During the editing process, you'll use the preview screen to track how your video looks in real time. The right panel serves as a control center. When you select an element in the project, the related controls will appear here, allowing you to make changes to that specific item. At the bottom panel, you'll find the timeline where you can arrange your imported files and elements. The timeline includes various layers, such as video, audio, and effects, where you can stack and adjust your clips as needed. You can also browse and use stock videos and media from within the platform for additional resources. You can add your voiceover and creative files to the project by using the Import section. Once the files are imported, you can add them to the timeline by clicking the plus icon. After adding them, you can make adjustments in the timeline, such as shifting the voiceover to start a bit later, as I've done here. This way, you can complete your video editing process smoothly. One common mistake people make is spending time manually adding subtitles. Most editing programs now offer automatic subtitle features. For example, in this app, when you go to the text section and click Auto Caption, the subtitles are generated automatically in just a few seconds. Plus, as soon as they appear, you can easily add animations or effects to them. In just a few seconds, you can create professional-looking subtitles effortlessly. You've prepared your video, so how can you start making money? One method I recommend is affiliate marketing. By adding affiliate product links to the video title or description and directing viewers to those links, you can earn commissions. How do you find products related to your niche? Let's say you're in the fitness niche. You can use ChatGPT to search for fitness-related programs. Simply type a relevant query, and within seconds, you'll see a list of products you can promote. If you don't like the suggestions, you can ask for alternatives. Additionally, there are affiliate marketplaces where you can register, such as ClickBank. These platforms make it easy to find affiliate programs. The key is choosing the right products and promoting them effectively. With the right strategy, you can start earning in no time. Focus on promoting products you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche. Authenticity builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to click your affiliate links. When it comes to pricing for voiceover services, many platforms offer free trials. For example, with a trial option, you can test a 10-minute voiceover without any cost. This is a great way to see how the tool works and how you can use it without committing financially. After the trial, the pricing is quite reasonable. 30-minute packages cost $5, and 100-minute packages cost $11. I personally use the $11 package, and it's simple and affordable. I've been using it for a year, and it's definitely worth the price. In this video, you discovered how to write a script, gather creatives, and edit a video seamlessly. With AI tools like InVideo, these steps can be done using simple prompts. If you're curious about the prompt-to-video approach, don't miss my next video, where I'll show you how to create videos effortlessly with prompts with InVideo AI.